Actor Rakul Preet has hit out at the Telangana Minister Konda Sureka as well. Minister had also named Rakul Preet in her statement, where she had made some sexist comments and remarks against Samantha Prabhu. She also mentioned Rakul Preet, to which Rakul Preet has now responded. She says on the X platform, and I quote, "Telugu film industry is known worldwide for its creativity and professionalism. I've had a great journey in this beautiful industry and still very much connected. It pains to hear such baseless and vicious rumors being spread about women of this fraternity. What's more disheartening is the fact that this is being done by another woman who's supposedly in a very responsible position. For the sake of dignity, we choose to remain silent, but it is misconstrued as our weakness. I'm absolutely apolitical and have nothing to do with any person, political party whatsoever. I urge to stop using my name in malicious way to gain political mileage. Artists and creative personalities should be kept out of political slugfest, and their names should not be used to grab headlines by linking them with fictitious stories of such nature." Rakul Preet there in a whole long statement that she's put on her social media platform, urging the minister under Revanth Reddy in Telangana not to use personal lives of film stars for their political mileage. A clear snub there. Abdul Bashir also joining us for more on this. Abdul, where we hear Rakul Preet's name was also mentioned by Konda Sureka, the Telangana minister, who claims even Rakul Preet was one of those actors who moved out of the Telugu film industry because of KTR. We know what she means. There is a total sexist undertone to this. Why don't you elaborate on what she said with regards to Rakul Preet and Rakul's response?
Well, in continuation to the former couple Naga Chaitanya and Samantha's claim, Telangana Cabinet Minister Konda Sureka went on to say that several actresses, 2 or 3 of them from Tollywood, had married sooner only because of the drug cases that were being filed against them, is what she claimed. Here, Konda Sureka pointing out that KTR said that KTR was charging them of drugs cases, and that is the reason Rakul Preet Singh and other two or three actresses in Tollywood have married sooner, and that is the kind of behavior that KTR had towards the actresses is what she meant. Now, after that statement, Rakul Preet had given her statement. She's reacted very high on the Telangana minister, asking stating that her name cannot be used for political mileage, and she has also mentioned that these statements that the minister had given are truly baseless and vicious rumors that are being spread, is what she had to say. So here what we see is that firstly all the Tollywood come together, including Mahesh Babu, Junior NTR, Allu Arjun, Chiranjeevi, Nagarjuna filing a defamation suit, other top Tollywood actors coming high on the Telangana cabinet minister. We also see Rakul Preet Singh reacting to her claim.
Right. Abdul Bashir, thank you very much for joining us. Very refreshing to see the entire film industry of Tollywood coming together, rallying behind the stars that have been spoken about, particularly Samantha. You see Tollywood now rallying against the minister in question, Konda Sureka, urging the Revanth Reddy government to sack her for the comments she's made.